Hi everyone, I'm Julia and welcome to Lighter Footprints. You're back in my kitchen again today because I love a bit of DIY, and I was running out of a particular product that I use all the time in the house, and I thought, well, what better time than now to give you a quick DIY description of how to make toilet bombs, toilet cleaning bombs. The reason that I make my own toilet cleaning bombs is because anything that you put down into your wastewater system goes to the oceans. Remember Dory? Remember the Nemo story? So we've got to be gentle on the environment. So it's really important that we clean with environmentally friendly products, things that aren't going to disrupt the reproductive cycle of the whales, harm our marine wildlife. So think about what you're doing when you put things down into your wastewater system. So toilet cleaning bombs. Here's one I prepared earlier. It's a little fizzy bomb that you use when you're cleaning the toilet. It contains bicarb soda, citric acid, essential oils, and sometimes a little bit of carrier oil. Very simple to make, and they're actually the ingredients used in making bath bombs as well. So you can add some colour, some little rosemary petals or flowers or little leaves, dried up rosebuds, etc. into this same mix, form it into a bomb shape, like a ball shape, tennis ball if you like, or golf ball size, and let them dry overnight and they become bath bombs. So very similar ingredients. We're going to make toilet cleaning bombs because I've basically run out. I've got the last two here on the bench ready to clean the two toilets today, and I thought, oh man, I need some more, so I'll go ahead and make a live video, show you what to do so that you can get on the bandwagon and make some for yourself as well. Very, very simple procedure. So we've got some bicarb soda, and bicarb soda is a fantastic deodorizer. It also absorbs toxic smells, it also absorbs toxins. So we want 1 1/3 cups of bicarb soda. Don't have to be too precious about the ingredient sizes and measuring. And the other thing that we need is citric acid. This is how you normally buy it in the supermarket. You can buy it in bulk. This is 75 grams and I actually use the entire container. So 1 1/3 cups bicarb soda and the entire container of citric acid. Just let it pour in there. Citric acid is what makes it fizz and pop and does the work for you in the toilet bowl. So basically, to clean your toilet with one of these bombs, you would give it a little bit of a brush around as you would normally do, then pop the bomb into the water, it sinks down to the bottom, and just walk away for 5 minutes. And while it's doing its job, whizzing and popping and sizzling in the bottom of the bowl, it's actually helping to clean the actual bowl. It's disinfecting the bowl, and it's also infusing the lovely essential oils that you're going to add into the water in the bowl. So it's a nice thing to do. In conjunction with this, I have a spritz or a air freshener that I make out of filtered water, essential oils and witch hazel, which I use then with the toilet paper to actually wipe down the outside of the toilet as well. Okay, so our citric acid's in and we've got bicarb soda in here. So we just mix it around till it's kind of mixed. We're going to be doing a lot of mixing, so it doesn't need to be too well done. All right, that's pretty good, not a lot of lumps in there. Now I've repurposed a little squirty bottle. I've already put my orange oil in here. I've got 3 different ingredients that I put in to give a really lovely fragrance in the bathroom. So you use 30 drops of each of the 3 essential oils. Of course you can do whichever you want. Make a decision, use whatever you like to use. So what have we got here? Lavender oil. So I use lavender, peppermint and sweet orange oil. So 30 drops of each. I haven't got my glasses on, this ought to be fun. 2, 3. So whatever essential oils you like in a little squirty bottle. Now the reason we have it in a squirty bottle is we're actually going to spritz this mixture. We don't want to pour it in because if we pour it in, it'll start to melt all the ingredients and we don't want that. What we want is it to look like wet sand. So this is a bit of a process. Forgive me doing a live, but it works best for me to do a live, otherwise my video is cut out. My phone unfortunately is at capacity and it doesn't like to remember my videos. So do 4 or 5 or 6 spritz, get your spoon and mix it around. scrape the sides down as you go, and you keep doing this until all of it's used up. And you will see that the mixture resembles wet sand. I don't know if you can see that coming together. It's starting to look a little bit like wet sand. I don't know if you can see that. It's starting to clump together. Alrighty, once we've stirred that in, now the thing that you need now is a mould of some description. So I use a silicone mould, and it's this one. It's for doing mini muffins. See how small that is, but it's a perfect size for a toilet cleaning bomb. I put it on a tray of sorts, so I've got a timber tray. Pop it on there because sometimes when you do this part, a little bit of mess goes everywhere, and that way you can recycle that back into the bowl and press it in. So what we're going to do now is press, can you see that in the picture? I hope so. We're going to take this product and press it in, and I won't do all of this in front of you because it's kind of time consuming, but pop tablespoons full into each of those little divots and press them down firmly with a spoon. Now don't be a silly sausage like I did. The very first time I made this, I used a normal metal muffin tin. Could not get them out for love or money, so please don't try that. Use a silicone mould because they're very easy to unmould. So once we've done this, I think you can get the gist of it. We make sure that they're all full, press them down really hard, and then I literally take this entire tray and I put it on top of my fridge because it's a really easy space. It's out of the way. It's also a little bit warm, doesn't need to be, but it does dry things out quickly, and you leave it overnight. In the morning, you unmould them and you can fill a jar with these little toilet cleaning bombs. Very simple and easy to make. I hope you have fun making them. I know no one really likes to do any cleaning, let alone cleaning the toilet, but these are a really great idea and they don't cause damage to the environment, and that's what's really important. Anyway, thanks so much for listening, and bye for now.